Hutch here, and FedEx just delivered my new Samsung S9. I'm so excited. The reason I got the regular S9 instead of the S9 Plus is because I really didn't feel like shelling out more money just for a updated, like a little better camera and a little better battery life. So I went with the regular, and plus the S9 Plus is really big. So let's open it and check out what's in the box. All right, so we've got the Hello, Let's Get Started card. How to turn on the phone and save all your contacts and everything. Another pamphlet, Long Live Your Phone with Total Mobile Protection. Oh, my receipts. And a package to turn in my old phone that I traded in towards. I have the S7 and upgrading finally to the S9. So here it is in all of its glory in its nice fancy box. Samsung S9. All right, let's peel it away. And it's a box within a box within a box. Oh, there it is. I don't know how to open these things. All right, so the box within a box within a box. All right, this is, all right, that little pin right there, that is to, I believe, eject or put in the SIM card or the SD card. Here's the Meet Your New Phone, the Galaxy S9. Back to the pretty box. And let's turn it the right way. There it is. Let's get it out. So, the Galaxy S9, and I got it in the pretty purple color, the lilac purple, which I didn't even know why I got. Look, it matches my sweater. But I don't even know why I got color because I'm going to put a case on it, so it's going to cover it anyways. Let's see what else is in the box within a box within a box. All right, take that tray out. We've got the charger plug. We have got the Samsung USB connector. See what's in the top box. Two things in here. There are, the earbuds. The one thing I'm happy that Samsung didn't get rid of is the earbud port, so it's not wireless earbuds. And then charging cable. Now, the one thing with the Samsung 9s, if you guys didn't get the 8, and if you're going up from the 7 like I am, the charger has changed. So instead of the micro USB, it is the Type C now. When you got the S8, they sent you an adapter to fit on top of your micro USB to turn it into a C. Apparently the S9s don't do that. So I have a ton. If you're like me, you will have a ton of charging cords that are micro USB. So I actually knew that it was changing to the C, so I got on Amazon and ordered a pack, and I think it came in a 4-pack of adapters, so I can still use my old chargers and not have to buy all new chargers. So let's go to the, let's get started. Let's turn this puppy on for you guys. All right, so on this, you've got there's a lot of little pinholes here. I'm guessing that's the SIM card. It's either the SIM card or the USB. It's got to be the SIM card. Could be both because it's not a removable battery. All right, so, and then on the bottom, you've got the headphone jack and you've got the charging port, and I'm thinking that's just a speaker, but there's a little pin thing there too. So I don't know. I got to figure that out. So the other thing I got to get used to is on my S7, there's the home button. So now, and they did it on the S8s too, there's no home button. It's all touchscreen. So now you guys are seeing me turn on my S9 for the first time, my new phone. I'm super excited. So I'm hoping, I know it'll be definitely better than my S7 right now. The last update for my S7 really killed my phone. I knew that I was getting a new phone. Look, it's talking to me. It says, hi there. Start. Now I gotta agree to all the terms and conditions. Oh, I gotta click them all. Agree to all. All right. Oh, yeah, that's fine. And there it goes. Look, I can already make an emergency call if I needed to. Now it's telling me to activate my phone, which I'll do in a little bit because I gotta back up my S7 and not lose everything on it. And if you guys have any questions about how the phone works, about the cables and everything that comes with it, leave me a message, leave me a comment, and lilac purple to match my sweater. Just let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you later. Bye.